Hey guys, Matthew here. In this video we're going to look at controlling the camera in each of these four views. So you notice that one says right, one says front, one says top, and the other one says perspective. Now the perspective view is slightly different to the other three views. So we'll look at the three views top, front, and right first, and then we'll look at perspective by itself. So like most software, if I use the middle mouse button, I'll be able to zoom out and by scrolling towards myself and scroll in by moving away from myself. Also, if I use the right mouse button, I'll be able to pan through the view. So you could see it could be very useful if you start working on an area of a model here and you need to refocus to an area here to right click and pan over. Now this is true for all three of the views. So I'm zooming in and out of the front, panning in the front, and in the right, zooming out, zooming in, and panning. No problem at all. Now the perspective view is slightly different. I can zoom out by scrolling in and out, but if I hold down the right mouse button, I'll now orbit around the center of whatever I'm looking at. So to actually get the perspective view to pan, I need to hold down the Shift key, which will then allow me to pan it. Now, there may be times where you're working on something in the top view or the front view, and you need to make it far bigger. So you want something a little bit bigger than this little window here. One way to do it, which I highly don't recommend, is that you could get your mouse in the crosshair of all that and then move the center point to wherever you need. But a far easier way to do it is to just double click on the view you're working in to then be able to just make that full screen. So that's how you navigate in RHINO. So to just go over that again quickly, in the top, front, and right views, these are called orthographics, by the way, and these will be covered in the lectures. You just need to middle mouse button to zoom in and out, and right mouse button to pan. In the perspective view, which is slightly different, the right mouse button orbits around a center point. The middle mouse button still zooms in and out, but to pan you just have to hold down the Shift key and the right mouse button. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.